Morning of day 4. I don't know, it's still a little early, a little bit after 6, and it's still cloudy, but we actually got snow last night. Some snow out there. And kept stoking the fire all night, so got the fire going, and we only got a 14-mile day today, so we're going to hang out here for a little bit until it gets a little warmer and do our 14 miles. Oh, well, I didn't mean to film a video, but alright, meant to take a picture. So, anyway, here's the view of the snow when it's a little bit brighter out. So there you go. Alright, we hung out at the fire till 8. Now we are on the trail. It's kind of cool because there's snow all around, but where the trail is, there's no snow. It's supposed to be the same temperature tonight as last night. 31 last night, 31 tonight, but weather forecast is saying it's going to clear up, so I'm guessing it's going to be a little colder tonight. But we'll see. Made it to mile 35, halfway along the Laurel Highlands Trail. So we got most of today, tomorrow, and then a few miles on Thursday, and we're done. And it's still cloudy. There's lots of ups and downs today. Yeah. So we're nice and warm because we've been going up and down a lot, but I'm going to stop, have a snack, change our clothes maybe, and get back to it. So we found this cool little cross-country ski trail rest station. I don't know if you can see it, there's a men's and a women's outhouse back there. A little cabin, and it's got firewood and a stove. And what's the name of the state forest we're in? Forbes State Forest. So I don't know. Oh, this is this cross-country ski trail right here, I guess, because it says Mountain View Trail. But yeah, the Laurel Highlands Trail is right back up that way. But I just thought it was a cute little cabin, and I thought I would video it. We made it to the turnpike. If you look through the fence, not easy to do. You can see that it says Laurel Highlands Hiking Trail on the bridge we're going to cross over the PA Turnpike on, which is pretty cool. It was just sleeting a little. Still pretty cold out. It's just sleeting a little and still cold, and it's not a good time today. Made it to camp for day 4. Here's our shelter. Shelter 3 again. A couple more. Tenting area behind there. There's a big shed down there. Matt's Cool Breeze is getting some firewood because it's supposed to be now 30 tonight. There's the bathrooms down there and a little bit of view through the trees. But that says like 2:30. 2:30. We basically hiked all day and didn't even really stop because it was so cold this morning. But the sun is finally starting to come out, and it's going to be cold. And we got like an 18.5 mile day tomorrow. So I got to collect some kindling and stuff while Cool Breeze collects the firewood. Here's the wood pile. They even provide you with this cool little wood splitter so that you can split the wood and then take it up to the shelter. There's another view of the bathrooms and the water pump and the trash can. I got the music going again. I don't know if that's going to be a copyright violation, even though I don't commercialize my stuff. So I guess we'll find out, but I'm going to shut it off. Alright. So we're making dinner. I'm making Annie's real aged cheddar macaroni and cheese with, wait for it, turkey bites Look at that special effect. And Cool Breeze is having the same thing, but you're putting... What are you putting in yours?
Peas and
Peas and carrots, Jenny. We got the fire going. There's actually other people here. I really can't believe it. It's April, and there's one guy in the shelter down here.
He's got his fire going now, too.
He's got a hamp, he's got a fire. And there's another dude just walked up, and he's going to the shelter on the other side of the bathrooms down there. And like, I didn't think we'd see anybody the whole time we were here. So, yeah, I mean, kind of freaky. And this guy right here, who's started his fire down there, he's yo-yoing, which means he hiked it south end to north end, and then he's turning around hiking it north end to south end. So he's basically hiking it twice, which is kind of crazy. But, yeah. So, that's what's going on. That's all I have to say about that.